President Cyril Ramaphosa is today expected to open the Dr Pixley Ka-Isaka Seme Memorial Hospital in KwaMashu in Kwazulu-Natal. Facilities at the 500-bed hospital include paediatrics, obstetrics, as well as gynaecology. The hospital is expected to serve more than 1.5 million people from Inanda, Ntuzuma, KwaMashu, as well as Phoenix. The hospital is named after Dr Pixley Ka-Isaka Seme, one of the founders of the ANC. For more on this story, let's now speak to SABC News reporter Jayed Paulse. Jayed, good morning. Thank you so much for making time for us. Tell us about what you can see and also the official opening of this hospital.
Well, a very good morning to you, Aldrin, and we are actually in one of the departments here in the hospital, the Dentistry department, and we've been speaking to some of the healthcare workers. And yes, the hospital will receive referrals from district hospitals. Now, why this hospital is important? Before this hospital was established about 2 years ago, it has been in operation, but will be officially opened by President Cyril Ramaphosa. Many of the communities here, Aldrin, reliant on Gandhi Hospital as well as KwaMashu Clinic. Now, we're just going to take you into the dentistry department, and we've spoken to the doctor who is on site here, and she has a patient, Dr. Nokwanda Mlotshwa, and patient Sakile Ngubane, and just to find out from them, you know, how it's been and also the servicing of many of the communities. Doctor, thank you so much for joining us on SABC News. I know that you're new to the hospital, having been worked here for a month, but talk to us about the importance of establishing this particular department, dentistry, in the heart of KwaMashu, where so many community members are forced to go into town.
Thank you so much for the opportunity. This is such a great opportunity for our community as a whole. It means that they no longer have to travel very far to get oral health, and oral health is a very important aspect of our health, and it's often neglected. So for us to bring it back to our community is absolutely brilliant. And I feel like for most of my colleagues, it's such a great opportunity to work close to home and provide services to our community where we grew up.
And you know, that's so beautiful, because we spoke to the CEO of the hospital and he was saying that most of the healthcare workers reside in the community. Do you?
Yes, I do. I stay in Ntuzuma. That's where I was born and bred and grew up there. So it's absolutely amazing to be able to wake up from home and come and work and, like I said, provide services to my community.
You said that oral health is very important, but it's also often neglected. How has the response been from the community that come here?
The response has actually been amazing. We have reached out to the community. This is a referral hospital, so our referral pathway, which is Phoenix, Inanda, Ntuzuma, KwaMashu, as well as Otongati and Osindisweni, are referring patients to us for a greater scope of practice here. So we're doing much more than just removing and extracting teeth or just cleaning teeth. We're trying to save teeth. I feel like that's what we practice in dentistry, to save people's teeth. And I feel like bringing that to the public is a great step for the future.
Well, thank you so much for speaking to us, Doctor. Let's speak to Sakile Ngubane, one of the patients here who is very excited, and just talk to us about what this means for you, Sakile, that resides in the community, to have this hospital here.
Yes, ngibonga ukuthola ithuba. Ngiyajabula kakhulu ukuvulwa kwesibhedlela lesi. Sizakala kakhulu ngalesibhedlela ukuthi sivule, ngoba nje umphakathi usuyasizakala kakhulu. Ngibonga nabasebenzi nje bakhona abanomoya omuhle, bayasiza kahle, banomoya omuhle, basisiza nje kahle. Sibonga kakhulu ngoba abantu kade behluphekile la singakavula lesibhedlela. So manje sekubalula kakhulu ukuthi umuntu ashesha asizakale, angaze gibakele endaweni ekude koThekwini kanjena. Sibonga kakhulu nje, sibonga kakhulu impela. Thank you.
Siyabonga, Sakile. Just saying there that he's very thankful for this hospital. It's really going to help the community, really help him, and the reception that he has received here as well. And Doctor, before I let you go, Sakile was telling me that he was a bit afraid of his treatment. I don't want to give too much away, but if you could just talk to us about how, how do you calm your patients down? Because, you know, many people are afraid of the dentist.
Okay, so calming a patient down is the first thing we learn in dental medical school. We build a good rapport with the patients, get to know the patients, and to explain the procedure that's going to be done. It puts them at ease. They understand that it's actually not that scary. So, and then we just take them through the whole thing, and they see that there's nothing to be scared of.
And I'm sure, Sakile, you're not afraid of your treatment that you're going to be receiving.
Yes. Siyajabula kakhulu nje impela, siyasizakala kakhulu, siyajabula, sibonga kakhulu nje impela ukuthi uhulumeni wethu impela konke kuyenzeka impela, siyasizakala kakhulu, siyajabula somphakathi ngoba impilo yona ebalekile. Sijabula kakhulu impela. Thank you. Sakhile lo Inanda, Africa.
Well, Elton, you can see the excitement there. We're going to leave it there so Sakile can have his treatment done, but we are told that the president is on his way to officially open the hospital, and we'll be bringing you all of that live on SABC News. It's back to you in studio.
Thank you so much, Jade Paulse, there at the new hospital that is being opened in KwaZulu-Natal. So she's just heard there that the president will be arriving any moment from now.